How to add any links to your TikTok bio. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can add a clickable link to your Instagram bio. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your TikTok application from your device and make sure that you are logged into your specific TikTok account. Just tap on to edit profile. Then here you can see the option of bio. Tap onto it and add whatever link that you would like to add. Also be noted that you can only add up to 80 characters. Once done, tap on to save on your top right. Go back to your home page and refresh your page. Now as you can see that this is not clickable, if you would like to add a clickable link to your bio, then first of all you need to switch your account to your business account. To do that, simply tap on three-bar icon, then tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on account, tap on switch to business account. Here tap on next. Select any category that fits you. Now once you do so, again tap on edit profile. Then you will see an additional feature of business information. Just tap on the website. To do that, you need to first become a registered business account. Tap on get started. Register yourself to your TikTok account. Just like so, once you do that, you will be able to add clickable links in your bio. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.